When the light is running low and your shadows start to grow. Wait, what? Wait, and your shadows start to. I fucked it up, bro. Your controller? Can you lock the hell in? Yo, controller. What the? There you go. I don't know why my shit was glitching. But hey guys, you already know. Back with that Delta Run. Why am I shirtless? I actually don't know myself. I'm gonna keep it a bean buck million with you. I'm gonna keep it a million with you. I don't know. I don't know. I just wanted to be shirtless. Hey. This nigga. I don't even remember what we was doing last episode. Are you drunk, bro? It's 4th of July. All my friends turned into werewolves, but it's no big deal. I've been on Queen's side since the beginning, so I'm saying, oh, you a fucking sellout, loser ass nigga. I can't stand people who be selling out, bro. Niggas will really like do like a bunch of sponsorships for like $10. Like if you was getting a bag, cool, but you don't be half of them niggas don't even be getting nothing. Goodbye. Did I recruit all you already? I don't remember. I know I remember I recruited. Oh my god. Bow. Did I spare all of you? There. It's okay, little kitty. Isn't that just how he normally talks? Oh, because it said soft voice. I mean, okay, now I have all of them. I don't know if I have all of you. Oh my god. Okay, that must hit me. Okay, I did already, y'all. I do remember that. I ain't gonna lie, these vibes kind of. Wait, what the hell? No, wait, how do I get back down there? That's actually kind of cool. What is that? Give me that. Tension bit. Okay. Come here. What the hell? What is that, bro? Hee, shall I help you save? No, I shan't. Having the faintest idea what that. Fuck you too, then, I get. Hello? Wasn't there a person right there? Am I tripping? Am I going crazy? Oh. He actually became a werewire. I'm dodging whatever you got, though. Scoop. Oh my god, there's bombs. Wait, what does this do? Hit him? No! Oh my god. How do I die? Okay, there we go. The treasure chest inside of the. Oh, nice. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, you think the government like tracks how many niggas be using like porn sites? Like for real? The reason I ask that is because like, did you know like if somebody has your internet provider or whatever, I'm pretty sure they can like kind of know what you're looking up. You think the government like I fucked it up, but do you think the government like tracks how many people are just continually beating this shit like every day? Like how do people like, you know, some TikToks that are like, it would like 1 in every 4 men beat their dick 5 times a day. It's like, how the fuck do they have those stats, you know? Like, do they get like, you know, stats from like, you know, can I go back? I know there's probably a prize if I did that correctly. Oh my god. But like, you think what was I gonna say? You think they just be tracking it? Like just straight like tracking who be beating they shit like that? Or do you think like there's like tests, you know? Like they do surveys, like they ask niggas how many times they beat their shit. Cause I ain't gonna lie, if I'm on a survey, I'm lying. I'm not telling people like, you know what I'm saying, I beat my shit 10 times a day, you know? At least only once. You know? Enough, you foolish children. I've been merciful to you thus far, but now it's time for your willful imprisonment capture. Drop the capturing capsules. Nigga. You missed. That was not a miss. It was a calculated tactical just admit you wrong, bro. Admit you missed, bro. You gonna try again? No, I only have like 4 cages. Okay, wait. I have a small plot twist for you. Come forward, my peon. Noelle? Sorry, I just couldn't say. What do you mean you couldn't say no? Bro, she's trying to roboticize your face and you still working with her, bro. Hi, Susie. How are you? Okay, I guess. Your roller coaster is I like it. Yours too? Yo, can we move this along? Like, we gotta beat her ass. Like, Noelle, move around. This isn't working. Bring in the next guy.
Fear not, my beloved.
Fuck. Beloved Noelle.
This valiant warrior of brain and intelligence will be your knight in glow-in-the-dark armor.
Yo, I ain't gonna skip all this nigga dialogue. I don't care. Fight me. Fight me. Are we fighting? Please tell me we're fighting. Please tell me we're fighting. I don't like this nigga. Please tell me we're fighting. Don't join? Whatever, bro. Fight me. Please fight me. I'm not sparing you either. I don't care. We ain't doing no sparing around here, bro. We beating your ass. Chris,
I get why you're... What? I get why you're getting in my way. You're jealous, aren't you?
bro, you're ugly and a bird. Ooh. Alright. Don't worry, bro. I'll put you to sleep real quick, Berdly. Just give me 1 sec.
Chris, you're tired of being the class number 3, gazing distantly at Noelle Eye Fury Fit.
Like, what are you talking about, number 3? Ooh. Okay, that's easy. This theme kind of bumping though. What? Like,
so rather than study, wait,
fuck. Why I can't read as this nigga, bro.
So rather than ever studying, you would enlist Sully to take us down.
Okay, bro, you stink. Why'd I get hit by that, bro? I hate getting hit by you. Wait, I can just put you to sleep. This is way fast. No, I mean, hey, even though it's faster to just put you to sleep, I'm killing you. Goodbye. I don't like you. I really don't.
Chris, you are truly deprived. Playing in the mud with the class Hellion.
What? Like, what? The fuck is the Hellion? The Helly Burden? Wait, why is there, like... This is like a little part in the left here. I kind of like this. Wait. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you trash as fuck, but I like his theme, though.
Chris, I am a kind and brave hero. If you come to our side, you may be a slightly less diddling number 3. Slightly.
Yo, maybe if you like switch sides, you get some bitches on your dick, you ugly bird bitch, and you hit me. Yeah, now you really gotta die though. Like, calmly though. Goodbye. He lived? What, my car's breaking? Fools. This is smart. Holy Halibert, grant me strength. Bro, I know you ain't give your car a name, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna wait a second just 'cause I like this theme. Damn, this bird nigga got a good thing. Okay, goodbye. Bop! Goodbye.
What? My coaster, it's...
What?
That's not fair. My queen, save me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, why couldn't he die, bro? Just the car explodes? In a minute, dear. Hello, everyone. I have some news updates. You see, this roller coaster, it's not actually finished yet. What does that mean, though? Me and Susie on the same time in pain. Pain. Okay. Just kill us two. As long as Berdly dies as well, bro, I'm perfectly fine with it. Move this a little bit closer. Like, tight shit. Like, tight. Okay, I'm tripping. Looks like the trash saved us. Ooh, I got cold. Come on. Pop. Okay. Haha, who's king of the trash pile now? Yep, exactly what your bitch ass get. No. Susie, are you alright? It's nothing. I just got your ass kicked. Don't heal, bro. Rousey, don't heal him, bro. He's a loser. Sure you don't want me to look? Look at what? I'm fine. Gave him a hug, no healing. Well, what the heck are you? Feel better? Feel better after you just came up and doesn't feel worse, I guess. How you do that anyway? That healing thingy. Oh, healing magic? It's simple, Susie. Anyone can do it. I could even teach you if you're interested. That's when again when it's like blood explosion magic. But if you wanted, I guess I could learn it. And you wouldn't, yo, Susie, stop being edgy, bro. Let's move on. Yep, you're right. Let's just go. The hell? Dug through the trash. Found a dark candy. What's this noise in my ear? This shit don't sound good. It's a trash bag that looks like an eggplant. You know what else looks like a black eggplant? You know, not to toot my own horn, but I got it like that, guys. I got it like that. Like straight big guy banana penis. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get that shit away from me. It's an eggplant that looks like a trash bag. And this nigga Newbird is back. I'm Newbird. Everybody loves me. That's why I live in the trash. Okay. Oh boy, I'm trashy. Did you know about adjusting your inventory? Trash cans like me can hold all sorts of things. Just like your storage if you get more than 12 items. Yeah, no, dude. It was sort of an emotional moment. Oh, that's okay. Oh, hell, is that Newbird over there? Nigga, I just talked to him. I guess everybody... By the way, I just remembered, although you can only carry around 12 items, your storage will hold and any extras you pick up. You can exit it where you check recruits. Enemies you spare, give it to our account, remember? Whoa, that seems like pretty useful information. Okay, Toby. There's a fork in the bag, right? And he's like, it might be advantageous if we split up. Who do you want to go with? I ain't gonna lie, Rossi, you got it. Hey, why does Chris get to choose all the time? Rossi, you're going with me. What? What? And he gonna put face on the goddamn cones, bro. What does it say? Ah! Okay, I'm tripping. Hey. Damn. You have neither fluffy boys nor mean girls with you. Like. Wait, what? Okay. Hey. Wait. Why is there a reason that I can go back with these things? I feel like there has to be something back here. Am I tripping? I heard the roller coasters are undergoing maintenance. That's a pain because it's our only form of public transit. Okay. Is there anything down here? I can't go. Anything down here? Nope. Scoop, come here. I wonder why you can go back. Where would we clean up for, you ask? We don't know. A parade, nigga. I mean, I guess I get paid and don't ask questions, I guess. You dug through the trash and found $20. Okay, cool. What the hell? I think it scared the mess out of me. Block. Block. Yeah. Block 10 ads. Happen. Oh my god. Why is it? I don't know why I don't like this attack. I can't dodge it. This application is only supported by OS 2000. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that means. These birds move so weird. Like some of them move fast, some move slow. They so lucky that like I only I don't remember what I was saying. Keep it being with you. My brain just went blank. I have no idea why I was talking. Chris, where are you? Oh, Noelle, sweetie. Sweet tea. Don't let her find me. I don't know what you want me to do. Noelle, sweet darling, where are you? We're a team now, remember? You still have to be my willing peon. Minion. I don't know why I said peon. What? Chris, It appears our comrades have pressed the escape key on us. My niggas like me. I don't know. You're a fraud or something. So it has come to this. In order to find our team, we must form an uneasy truce. Queen, yo, I ain't gonna lie. We gotta go. We gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. Wait, I don't know how to be doing that. You gotta go. I can't do. Go. Yo, just get through a dialogue, bro. I don't know, bro. So it's come to this. In order to find our respective teams, it appears we must form an uneasy truce. What the? Who the fuck said you could double truces? Yeah. Huh? Did you hear something? Honk honk. It's just the sound of the city. Okay. Well, I'll be ahead. Don't be late. Don't be late, nigga. I don't mess with you though. Because as part of our truth, the better one, keep distracting Berdly and find Noel. For you see, Berdly, he's what? Okay, there's nothing wrong with him. He's just annoying. I mean, that's something wrong with him. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga too fucking annoying. They gotta be like a mental condition or something. I don't know. Chris, if it's okay, got any room for another truce? I ain't gonna lie. 6. Okay, let me. Of course, bro. Whatever. Thanks, Chris. Noel joined the party. Cool. You're filled with the power of not knowing what a sugar plum is. How does that even fucking relate? Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Chris, isn't that the wrong way? Come on, I'm already regretting this. I'm going whatever way I want to. This is irrelevant. Huh? What are you telling me to do? Act? Can somebody please tell me what's going on? Oh boy, is this your first time battling? Well, yes. Oh boy. You and Viro-Kun? What the fuck is that its name? Yeah, it's kind of like Dragon Blazers. And if we're nice to you, we can through mercy? Yeah. And the way I have to do that is dressing up in a weird costume? Yeah. And that's so stupid. Nice. You gonna say nice and then still attack us? Nothing was nice about that. Kill him, kill him. No, okay. Let it go, let it go. I want to fight another one of those pop-up guys so I can, you know what I'm saying? Whatever, bro. I need to fight one of those pop-up guys again so I can recruit everybody. Hello? I went to the store and they needed a signature to use a credit card, but when I tried to encrypt my signature by drawing random squiggles, they didn't like that. Nigga, I just, like, I just don't care though. Like, it's cool and all, but nigga, you a bitch on me. How the fuck did this work? A mouse? How? Hello? That bitch jumped like 20 feet. Crazy ass jump. You need to go to Olympics, Noel. Okay. How do I move this? Okay, I get it. It turns them. Yo, shut up, bro. Okay. Bop. Yeah, talk to me. Beat me, mommy. Look like that took it. Annoying mouse room. They're not annoying. They seem cool. Wait, I need to fight you. Come here. Yeah. Acted warmly towards ambulance. News aren't scary. Medicine's important, you know? This girl's so sweet. Let's give her a free bullet. Nigga, don't attack me. Oh my god. What the hell? Why are we on the road? I just went into it like a... Whatever. Goodbye. You got a long ass nose. We are Addisons. All we do is advertise. This is the advertising too. Advertisements not only like what? I'm so bad at fucking reading. Like I ain't gonna lie, I said I was good. Yeah, reading last episode. I don't know what it is, but I'm talking too fast. Don't like advertisements? Block ads for only $9.99. Change your mind, bring them back for only. Nigga, I'm not buying your shit. Susie? She's right there, but I can't get the courage to say anything. Who's that person she's with anyway? It looks kind of like, they're looking over here, let's go. Bro, they're clearly not though. Bro, how do you get a nigga who sell them cotton candy while I'm getting niggas trying to sell me ads and ad blockers. Like, also, can I get in, bro? Hello? Whatever. Don't get. Actually, wait, I need to fight you again. Come here. I won't get hit again, though. Like, I'm him. Don't ever forget I'm him. Never mind, it's a different attack. It's a different. Oh my god, I just ran into it. Okay, I need to save again. I'm taking too much damage. You open the treasure chest. Inside was a pink ribbon. Pink ribbon was added to your armors. Okay, whatever. Run. Oh wait, actually no, I forgot I can equip shit in this game. All this shit is just weaker. A brooch engraved with Queen's face. Careful of the sharp part. Can I get that for free though? Wait, if I take it off her and give it to my boy. Okay. Give me that. And both these are useless. You got one of them bitches back. Not the white ribbon, silver watch. Silver watch, I mean silver, what? White ribbon, what am I talking about? We're gonna die in a well. What happens if I get hit? Oh. Actually was not as bad as I thought. Okay. Okay, go. Okay. Can't even cross the street without getting my ass kicked. I love this city. Since everyone else got plugged, they're a lot more agreeable. It's nice. You trying to get plugged, nigga? Like, you weird, bro. Talking about getting plugged. Yo, chill. I don't need to fight any of you. I spared both of you. Oh, two young beings. Call me a fucking being. You fucking ad. You're an ad, nigga. You're nothing. You're nothing. You are worth nothing to me. Or something else. What does that mean? There's no one giving to you, that's for sure. Yeah, that's my bae. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I be cracking like straight. Never mind. Let's just go. What is this? Hey, got any way to deal with crushing existential dread? Asking for a friend that looks and sounds exactly like me. What even is that, bro? They're talking about me. Okay. I guess. I mean, I don't know what to tell them. Like, I really don't. What the hell? Wait, where am I supposed to go from here? No. Stand on it. Looks like you need to hold it down. Chris. Are you? Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was a cutscene. Chris, come on. You know that isn't very nice. I was almost roast deer for a second. All right, now it's your turn. See, I'm on that shit though. See, like I'm literally on that shit. Don't do it again. Oh, how you like it? You should have seen the look on your face. Why it looked so hurt? Gosh, I know, bro. You were willing to fucking hurt me. Should end your life. What the hell is this? And the craftsmanship of the boxes. Okay, there's no way that's the only thing this is for. Whatever. Okay, it's nothing. No. Chris, it's Queen. She's right over there. Can you distract her somehow? I got you. Your head is so fucking ugly, bro. Oh my goodness. It shoots out so far in the back. Oh, Lamau, you're here. Sorry, Chris. While I've been looking for Noelle, I've had like 4 of these all ages. Nigga, you got drunk in like 2 minutes. That's a pure battery acid. You're a lightweight. Okay. That was unnecessary though. Don't worry, how's my throwing glass? It's safe. Look, Chris. Crisscross applesauce. Okay. Now that we are trucies, I feel like we are on the same mathematical wavelength. Okay, so we on the same timing. I respect that. You give me respect. I give you respect. Cool. You get me, Chris. You do not do crazy things like have opinions, or scream when I capture you, or tell me horrible plans for a smart boy theme park. Did Berdly tell you that? Hello? I just cannot compute it. Why everyone else is so ungrateful. That PNG explosion was so fucking stupid. Oops, that was my extra dangerous glass. Chris, I just wanted to make everyone smile. And if I become an evil villain to accomplish that, is that bad? It's okay. You do not have to answer. You would be wrong. Okay. But Chris, while we're still truces, maybe we could make the most of it. We could play that game again. Wasn't that fun, Chris? You trying to like butter me up? Check on your strong friends and pray for your enemies. I'm out!